In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and remove a password in your Microsoft Access database's Encrypt with Password. We'll walk through securing your database with a password and then removing it when you no longer need it, all with clear, safe steps. First, open Microsoft Access. From the Start screen, choose Open, then select Browse so you can navigate to your database file. Highlight the file, but don't click the main Open button yet. Instead, use the small arrow next to the Open button and choose Open Exclusive. Opening exclusively means you have sole access to the file, which is required to add or remove encryption. If you can't pick exclusive, make sure the database isn't already open anywhere else. With the database open exclusively, go to the File tab and choose the Info page. On this screen, click Encrypt with Password. You'll see a dialog asking for a password and a verification. Type your password carefully, then type it again to confirm. Choose something strong that you can remember. Mixing letters, numbers, and symbols is best, and store it securely. Access encryption is case sensitive, and there's no built-in recovery if you forget it, so take a moment to double check. When you're ready, click OK. Your database is now encrypted, and the next time you open it, Access will prompt for that password before allowing entry. When it's time to remove the password, start by opening the database exclusively again. Open Microsoft Access, go to Open, select Browse, choose your database, click the arrow next to Open, and pick Open Exclusive. Enter your current password to unlock the database. Then return to the File tab and open the Info page. This time select Decrypt Database. You'll be asked for the password one last time. Enter it and confirm. After you click OK, the encryption is removed. The next time you open the file, you won't be prompted for a password. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you don't see Encrypt with Password or Decrypt Database, double check that you used Open Exclusive and that the database isn't shared by anyone else. Also, consider keeping a safe record of when you change or remove a password so your team stays aligned. That's it. You've learned how to open an Access database exclusively, encrypt it with a password, and later decrypt it cleanly. Thanks for watching, and keep your data secure and accessible only to the right people.